Today, I'm going to teach you how to juggle 3 scarves. It's a little easier to learn with scarves because they float down nice and gently. Enjoy. All right, we're going to start with 1 scarf. You're going to toss it up and grab it. Toss it up and grab it. Toss it up, grab it. From one hand to the next, just like that. It floats down nice and gently. The higher you toss it, the more time you have. Try to make sure that you're tossing it in the same spot each time. Then you take your 2nd scarf and you're going to toss the one from your right hand and then toss the one from your left hand underneath it. So you're tossing it, catching it, catching it. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Not like this, but like this. And that's 2 scarves. Then you take a 3rd scarf. What you want to do is take that 1st scarf and put it right here so that you have this to grab that other scarf, just like that. And you're going to toss that one, then toss this one, and then toss that 2nd one in your hand. Toss, 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 toss. Keep tossing in between. You're just going to throw one in between the other 2. It's like an X pattern. You're tossing 1 scarf and tossing it in between the other 2. The higher you toss it, the more time that you have. And that's a quick scarf juggling tutorial by Fritzy. If you liked it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.